Juries aren't always consistent, however, on whether those conditions have been met. In the celebrated 1984 subway vigilante case, Bernhard Goetz shot 4 unarmed black youths he claimed were menacing him on a New York City subway. At the time, many New Yorkers were frustrated with the city's high crime and lack of police response. Even though Goetz fled the scene, disposed of his gun, and later told police he would have kept on firing if he had had more bullets, a largely white jury convicted him only on a weapons charge. Starting with Florida in 2005, more than 30 states have passed so-called stand your ground laws that dramatically expand self-defense rights. They generally allow citizens who fear they are under threat to use lethal force, with no duty to retreat, anywhere they have a legal right to be. In many of those states, if a judge agrees in a pretrial hearing that the accused acted in self-defense, he or she wins immunity from prosecution, and the case never goes to trial. Stand your ground laws came under widespread scrutiny in 2012, when Trayvon Martin, a 17-year-old African-American, was fatally shot walking back to his father's home in a condo complex in Sanford, Fla. George Zimmerman, a 28-year-old neighborhood watch volunteer, thought the hoodie-clad teenager looked suspicious and called 911. Zimmerman got out of his car and followed Martin on foot against the dispatcher's orders. He said Martin turned on him, slamming his head into the sidewalk, and that he feared for his life when he shot the teen. Martin was later found to be carrying only a can of iced tea and a bag of Skittles. Accepting his account, police didn't arrest Zimmerman for 6 weeks until the case had sparked national outrage and charges of racial profiling. Zimmerman's attorneys opted not to seek immunity under Florida's Stand Your Ground law and argued a standard self-defense case at trial. But as required by the law, the judge instructed the jury that Zimmerman had no duty to retreat and could use lethal force if he felt threatened. The all-female jury acquitted him on all charges,